What's up? This is Goy, man. I'm out in the country house. That's the entrance race right there. You can get off Route 4, you come on in. Got that long wide path. Not the first house, but the second house. There's only two families live here. We got the fucking white family, and we got the Laotian family. That's how you get in. One way in, one way fucking out. Everything's all covered with fucking forest. See what I'm saying? Look at that shit. Nothing but fucking forest. And my house is right over down there. See? Parents right stays right over there. There's a cattle barn over there. My house is over that hills right there. We got a small little shack. But yeah, this is how it look like out here. Just walking around, taking a look, see what's going on. In the future, I might need to do something to this shit. See that? They now got fucking peace and quiet. Look at that shit. You got at least about 25 something. See that? All that. See? That's enough for the whole Ponyaroon family. Shit. Built your own little motherfucking house. The kids and all that, and the cousins and nieces and nephews. Y'all motherfucker better fucking find you a fucking spot to build your own fucking houses out here. I'm telling y'all. Uncle's keeping it fucking real with y'all. Diamond, Peter, Lexus, Asia, Kissa, all the other kids, the grandkids, y'all better fucking find a spot. Put your little fucking house out here. If y'all want to live out here, y'all better do what y'all want to do. Got all the fucking lands out here. You can go and decide what you're going to do. You better do it. Or put that in the motherfucking writing on the paper. Okay? Oh, let me go back to the creek and see what the fuck's going on.